Alright, welcome everyone to my first unboxing. It's Phoenix EAS, and I'm also joined by a very nice EAS group. Yeah, right here.
EAS people.
Yeah, EAS people.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Mr. Recon, who lives in the basically same area as Phoenix EAS.
I am EAS Circa 100. I live in California.
No
and
one
I am
likes,
the M12, and I too live in California.
No one likes California, but it's okay. But it's okay.
Mostly because we're under excessive heat warnings. It gets hot.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so
Everybody is.
here's the box.
Nice. You're the ranch fire.
Here's the box right here. It's pretty. It's decent.
You're the ranch fire, and I'm
It's decent sized. Okay, I guess I'll open it up from here on the side.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay.
Your one-handed knife skills are pretty good.
Okay, no, but the seller like taped the whole box like a million gazillion times and then put not cardboard, put the
Get an edge and just cut it constantly. Just cut it all the way through.
I think that box for my recon.
My recon, yep. Sure, you got me the box. Definitely.
I think the same thing happened when I unboxed my recon.
Oh, yeah, because you open it in the bottom side up.
Okay, open the bottom side up too. Okay.
Then get a Sharpie or take the labels off like I do.
I didn't have any.
Well, I mean, it's depending on what the package is, it's normally pretty. What the heck? You just put it in wrapping paper and sent it.
Yes. The seller do be like that sometimes, but it's okay though. Okay, it's got the EAR-10. Yes.
EAR-10.
Yeah, that's 10.
Black.
Black. So it's the older version.
And it is the black one.
Yeah, it's the older version. It's not the newer one.
I'm gonna get the white one because I think the white one was cooler.
So it's not new, but I think the seller included everything. Yeah, the instruction.
One time there was some
And the poppies
on eBay, and it said it's gonna take like 3 weeks to ship.
Jeez.
Okay. So here it is. It's pretty good. I thought it'd be bigger.
A little bit dusty.
It's a little bit.
At least your sticker isn't falling off. I mean, wait, what, JPEG?
More poppies. Oh,
Don't forget
got
to
my
press
knife.
those buttons to wish it good luck.
Hush, birdie. I know you want to say hi.
Now I'm plug this in. See
I sneezed.
if there's a lamp test.
Don't forget to press all those buttons.
Oh yes,
Plug it in.
I forgot. Okay. So on the EAS community, we press all the buttons. So let's press all.
Before you plug it in,
Yeah.
press all the buttons to wish the good.
The switches.
With the radio. Yep.
And yeah,
Hey,
there's.
let's remember to do that.
My past 2 Radio Shack radios.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You see, somebody has a bad experience with not wishing luck on their radios and they die.
I learned my lesson from the last 2 Radio Shack radios I got.
Okay. There we go. Welcome.
And also SPC Nick with his WR301. I mean, wait, what?
Okay. Let's see how to set this up.
Imagine you forgot to do it with
Okay.
your black
Time. Okay.
I didn't.
Okay. Okay, it is 11:26 a.m. 11.
11:27 a.m. Mountain Standard Time.
Bad alerts, alarm.
Current 11 a.m. observation in Phoenix. You're listening to KEC94 in Phoenix, Arizona, serving South Central Arizona.
Same set. Select any
11:27
alert
a.m.
type.
Mountain Standard Time.
Voice.
And Pacific Daylight
Current
Time.
11 a.m. observations for Phoenix.
Alert test.
Night.
Okay, why isn't... Oh, because I forgot... There we go.
It sounds so beautiful.
Okay, there's the alert test.
It's the same sound for everything for the one you're watching.
Yeah, for all alerts. Yeah, it does that.
Okay.
Inside too.
No, I could barely get Payson. Okay. The reception on this isn't the best, but it's alright. Oh, I don't think you need to add any alerts. I'll select. Oh, no. No, menu back. Okay. Well, I think that's... Do one more. Oh, they have it on the... Oh, well, alright, okay. Alrighty, well, I think that's it. Everything's already set up. That's pretty easy.
Unboxing ever.
I know. It's not a 20-minute unboxing, but it's okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I was joined, obviously, by... Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Show yours again. Whoops.
Show it again?
Yeah.
Here
He
it is.
has one,
It's
too.
mirrored because...
Wow.
Wow.
But yeah, that's my other voice.
Alrighty, well, thank you guys for watching. I was joined by these people. If you guys want to see your names again. Fabulous people.
My name is Rick Recon here in Phoenix, Arizona, who uses KEC94 like Phoenix EAS does. And we actually get SVAs. I mean, what?
Okay. And I am EAR-10 here, who lives in California and gets KW37, which is Los Angeles standard.
And this is the M12. You uses station KIG78.
All their channels will be in the description if you guys want to check them out. But alrighty, thank you guys for watching. I don't know, probably
Bye.
something
Also, I'm
tomorrow.
in danger from a fire.
Alright, bye.